Use up sourdough discard and make eggless sourdough waffles. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Start by adding 284 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt and cinnamon to a large mixing bowl and whisk together. Next, combine 1.5 cups of whole milk and 113 grams of sourdough discard. You can use that straight from the fridge. Melt 226 grams of salted butter over the stovetop or in the microwave. Next, add the melted butter, sourdough milk mixture, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the bowl with the flour. Whisk together until everything's combined and you have a smooth waffle batter. Using a half cup, scoop batter into your preheated waffle iron and cook to your liking. I like to use setting 4 on my waffle iron that I'll link in the description. If you want larger waffles, you can just use more batter at a time. Enjoy these eggless sourdough waffles with butter, maple syrup, or even fresh fruit. You can easily make these ahead of time, freeze them, and then reheat in your toaster. If you want more sourdough discard recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.